We made the Uboot menu working on the Flipper 1 screen. So this menu is drawing by the Uboot itself, not by MCU or Linux. Here you can choose the different boot targets and different kernel version. You can also see the boot device. It can be the SD card, MMC, or the UFS. And you can use the input from the buttons of the Flipper 1. It's slightly modified original Uboot menu. We will try to upstream this, but right now it's our own patch. And it works perfectly, but this is the temporary solution, so we probably switch to the boot menu that will be drawn by the kernel itself on the early boot stage. But the problem with this menu, what I personally don't like, is the time of the cold start from the moment when you actually start the CPU and get this menu. Let's see. I've connected this Flipper 1 debug probe. It's exposed several consoles to the system, MCU console and the CPU. And let's measure the time of the cold start. So what I'm doing here, I run this command. It's the TO with the timestamp option, so we can see the time between each new line in the console. And I'll do the reboot by pressing back and left. And start the console. And when I press this OK button, the CPU will start and we will see the console log. Let's do this. Boom. This menu is drawing, the screen is drawing by the MCU, and the CPU is still starting, the DDR trainer. And here we can see the first menu of the Uboot. And here's the actual Uboot menu. And here's the console log, and we can find by looking at this time, we can find which steps of the boot process consume the most time. So here we can see the around the 3 seconds is the actual BL31 starts. And yeah, we will try to optimize this to get the boot menu as soon as possible, because right now, let's do this again. I personally feel that it's too much. So imagine you start the Linux and you need to wait this amount of time until you actually get anything on the screen. I think it's too long. Yeah, so we will try to minimize this time right now.